Hi friends, welcome to GST Info Officer Series. Today we are going to learn what is the last date for issuance of the notice under Section 73. That is notice in respect of the cases booked under non-fraud category. As you know well, there is some kind of confusion among officers as to what would be the last date for issuance of the said notice. So let us see why the confusion and what would be the last date. Unlike previous tax regime, the last date for issuance of the notice under Section 73 or Section 74 for that matter is linked with the last date for issuance of an order under the provisions of the said sections. So for example, if you take Section 73 into consideration, that means notice in respect of the non-fraud cases, the notice has to be issued at least 3 months prior to the time limit specified in subsection 10 for issuance of the order. So first of all, we have to arrive at the last date for issuance of an order under the subsection 10. Then we have to find out the last date for issuance of a notice. So let us find out what is the last date for issuance of an order. So section 7310 says that an order has to be passed within 3 years from the due date for furnishing of an annual return for the financial year to which the tax not paid or short paid or input tax credit wrongly availed or utilized. In case notice has to be issued covering the period of 2017-18, first of all, we have to find out the due date for filing of the return. If we see the due date for filing of annual return for the financial year 2017-18, various orders, notifications were issued from time to time, extending the time limit. First, by way of removal of difficulty order dated 11/12/2018, the due date was 31st March 2019. Later, it was extended several times. Finally, as per notification number 6/2020, dated 3/2/2020, the last date, that means the due date for filing the annual return for the year 2017-18 was 5th or 7th February 2020. That means depending upon the states in which the taxpayer is registered. So, if you take the same into consideration, order has to be passed for the said financial year of 2017-18 before 5th or 7th February 2023. That is within 3 years from the due date of filing of annual return. If you take the same into consideration, the notice has to be issued before 5th or 7th of the November 2022. So, as per the said provision, the period was hit by the time limit. However, CBIC, in terms of the provisions of Section 168A, the provision empowers the government to extend the time limit under certain circumstances. So, as per that, the time limit for the period 2017-18 for issuance of order under Section 7310 was extended till 31st 12/2023. This time limit was extended by notification number 9/2020. So, as per that, notice can be issued before 30th September 2023. Similarly, time limit for the said order was extended for the subsequent financial years also. Like 2018-19, it is 31/3/2024. Similarly, for 2019-20, it is 30th 6/2024. So, these time limits for passing of the order, not for issuance of the notice. So, in case notices are required to be issued for the said financial years, the same should be issued at least 3 months prior to the date of the issuance of the order as specified above. Hope it would be useful to our officers. Thank you. Thanks for watching.